Let's talk about how to grow your email list, and particularly in social media. So, social media is a gold mine for potential email subscribers. You can leverage social media to grow your email list, and we'll do it a couple of different ways. One, you can do it free, and the other way is paid. And so we'll talk about those. But specifically, is social media is out there everywhere, but you want to get them on your email list. And a lot of people talk about how one of the main reasons why people say like email is dead because of social media, which it's just a compliment to it, is email actually allows you to have control of your list and how you reach out to them. Whereas with social media, you can get shut down at any time as certain rules change and things like that, depending upon what your niche and market is. So the best thing to do is to advertise on social media, but also have an email list as well. So that's why you want to have this ability. So first of all, you want to create a lead magnet that's specifically for social media. And so you want to do it in such a way that it's going to be viewed very easily there, very mobile friendly. Just something that, followers that'll be interesting, that they really want to have interest in what you have to offer. And so that's one of the really things you want to make sure is that it's really easy for them to subscribe. Once they do that, they do have lead pages within, like Facebook, for example. You could do that. I would test it between that and having your own website with a lead magnet, just because it's just when you go to your own website, there's a lot more control over it. With Facebook, there isn't. So obviously, you want to offer some sort of checklist or things like that, something that people want that's easy to absorb. Try not to make it too big and too overwhelming, because that actually hinders people. This day and age, we have more information than ever before, but it's just getting the bite-sized information that you need is really what the great lead magnet will do for you. So make sure that you do that. And of course, put clear call to actions in each of those. So either it's in Facebook, where you can do a post, you can be more verbose in there. LinkedIn is similar to Facebook as well. Instagram, you actually have to put it in your bio. So put it in your bio for that. Twitter is much shorter. Now you can do video though, so that's really cool. And they've kind of extended how many words you can use in there as well. But you can have it in your bio, you can have it in the actual message itself, depending upon how many words you're allowed. So that's what you want to make sure that you're doing. And obviously TikTok is the same way. You want to make sure it's in your bio. So you want to make sure it's in those areas that people can learn more and direct them to it as well. So if it is, more information in the bio, for example, versus, click the link below for other ones as well, for ones that you can put the link in the actual post itself. So that's where you can do that. You can do something called a contest. It depends on how many followers you have and how long you've been doing this. So you could do a contest, for example, is go on each platform and offer a contest for that, and how people can share. And then they could, there's many good plugins as well that allow people to do that. Like, hey, share this link out there and then get so many points towards tickets to this raffle for a $50 Amazon gift card or something like that, or whatever you want to give away, or even one of your products for free too. That's also a great thing to do. Is people are following you for your product, you might as well give it away for free to some lucky winner based on how they share it. So that's a way you could do that as well. I don't remember what the plugin is called, but there's many of them that you can do these contests that are really good at pulling them all in and tracking it. And so that's a really great way to do that. The best thing to do is just keep posting it, though, is be consistent with it. So that's what you want to do. Also, you can leverage stories and live videos. So you can go live on these platforms as well. They have Instagram stories, Facebook lives, TikTok, you can go live as well. And those things you can go on to YouTube, you can go live on. You're viewing this on YouTube, so of course you're going to be able to have this go live, or just having it on the system itself. So that's how you can engage them in real time and get more folks to come onto there that way too, or have it offline as well. I mean, if you have an offline video, it's not necessarily going to get is not going to be necessarily worse than nothing. Something's better than nothing. And so you could do all of these. You could use part of them, but do something that you can do consistently. The issue is a lot of people end up wanting to do everything and end up doing nothing consistently. So if it's only one platform, choose one platform. And if if it can be more than that, then that's great. But just do it consistently, and that's really a great way of doing that. So once you get it out there, you start seeing some um, level of engagement and things like that. You can use paid ads as well to promote things to get a higher number of people out there. I would wait on this until you have some good people that have actually come through organically. A lot of people switch to paid ads very quickly. If you've been out there a while and you have the budget to do it, then great. Please go ahead and do it. It's a great way to start scaling very quickly. The problem is though most people are just getting started. So if you're just getting started, or if your business hasn't been able to convert well with organic traffic, then it's going to be very hard and very costly, unless you have the money, to be able to convert. So that's what you want to do, is essentially make sure that you are promoting that and making sure that you are only doing paid ads once you have something that's converting. Now, the best thing to do paid ads for is for a retargeting. And so if you're going to retarget, then what you want to do is then utilize your pixel on your wherever your lead magnet is to then capture those as well, especially from organic traffic. And that's the number one way to really get good engagement before really venturing out into more cold traffic as well. So that's some of the ideas. And of course, you can collaborate with other influencers. The best way to get cross growth for two between two different email lists is to cross promote. So they can promote yours and you promote them, and or maybe they'll just promote you through theirs as well. So using influencers. The other thing is other Facebook fan pages. A lot of these people have these fan pages or these groups that they don't market to at all, and sometimes they're like, hey, I'll come in and market my product, and I'll give you X amount for whatever sales that come through. And a lot of these places surprisingly don't even market at all. They just have it as a group, and it just has grown, and they're pretty huge, and they don't make any money off it at all. So it may be very welcome for them to do that. So hopefully these help. There's a lot of other ways you could do this as well, but those are just kind of things to get started, and really just get it out there. Pick whatever you're going to do it consistently. That's the name of the game in all of these things. Just do it consistently, and you'll start seeing more leads come into your email list to market to.